So we have multiple colors here. We've got some reds, we've got aqua blues. I would actually use my ruby for that aqua blue. I'd use my 532 KTP laser. This is like a great tattoo because it showcases, I'd use every single wavelength that this system has. And I'm going to start just with this little blue-black here, right up here in the corner, just to kind of see how we're starting off. So I'm going to give you a countdown. We're going to go ahead over here. I'm just going to have you sit back just a little bit.
Like 100. Like when a rubber band is used?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Between what?
0 and 10.
10 being like the worst. I'll say like an 8.5. Like as it gets, like right now it's not bothering me because I'm talking to you, but not thinking about it.
The bell shape where it's going to be the deepest.
God, you could get addicted to this.